So the idea behind these basic essential recipes is that with one recipe or technique, you can make a variety of different meals. So this recipe is for muffins, and I know you're probably thinking, wait a minute, that's a pretty specific recipe. But here's the deal. This recipe is actually for a master muffin recipe. With one recipe, you can make a variety of different muffins. So you could make chocolate chip muffins or fruit muffins, or add some nuts in there for nut muffins. There are so many different ways to customize this one recipe and to make muffins that your family's going to love. Today, when I make muffins, I'm going to be using my favorite flour, which is Einkorn flour. To begin, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now grease or line a muffin pan with muffin liners. In a large bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients, which in this case are melted butter, maple syrup for a sweetener, applesauce, or you can use plain whole milk yogurt or a non-dairy yogurt, eggs, and vanilla extract. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients directly to this bowl. So let's add in Einkorn flour. Now with Einkorn flour, I always sift it first, and you can see how I'm doing this. Then I add in the baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. And I'm going to stir all of this to combine, stirring just until the ingredients are incorporated together. Now I'm going to add in some custom fillings. As you can see in this batter, I'm adding chocolate chips. I'm going to stir these chocolate chips in just until they're thoroughly incorporated into the batter. Now scoop that batter into your prepared muffin pan. The batter is going to be thick, so I like to use an ice cream scooper to really help out the process. And bake the muffins for about 18 to 20 minutes or until they're firm on top. My muffins are usually done at the 18-minute mark, but this may vary with each oven, so definitely keep an eye on your muffins through the oven door. Allow the muffins to fully cool for a few minutes before enjoying. So one of my favorite reasons to make muffins is that I can cook once and eat twice or multiple times. This means that I can make one batch of muffins or even double my recipe, so I'm making double this amount. And then we can enjoy some muffins that morning, maybe on like a Sunday morning when it's a little lazier around our house. And I can store the rest in the fridge or even the freezer for those quick mornings when we need a nourishing breakfast. I might pair our muffins along with hard-boiled eggs or yogurt and fruit, something quick and easy to get us out of the house and help us be nourished and full and ready to take on our day.